Hello friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today I am going to make video on how to use the text command in Creoparametric. So first of all, open your Creoparametric software and click on the file, take the new file. One window will be pop up in this part as a type and the solid as a subtype. Unclick this default template, click on the OK. Then next again when window will be open, select the millimeters, click on the OK. So that we are going to perform all the operation in millimeters. Click on the front plane and then click on the model, take a sketch command, and then next click on this sketch view. Okay, and now this in this tab of the sketch we'll get this all active commands, and today we'll see on this text command. Okay, so let's click on this text command, and here you can see system is guiding us to what will be the next procedure. Select start point of offline to determine text height and orientation. Your system asking mention the height of the text, means like this. Just click this first point and this as the second point. Okay, then next window will be pop up here for typing whatever the text we would like to enter over there. And here you can see just random selected this 2 point height for the text 77.25. In the enter text command, just I am going to type my name over here, Rahul. Here you can see the how system is implemented here. Rahul name is created of this on this height. Okay, 77.25. and then next here are different symbols over here, like you can insert over there. And then here is the position, whether we wanted to center, left and right position. Okay, I would like to it will be from left side. Okay, and then different options, aspect ratio are there. Here from here you can adjust the spacing between all the single words, and then slant angle is there. Here you can put the slant value, or you can adjust by dragging from left side or the right side. Okay, like this. And then here is the spacing. By clicking on the spacing you can adjust from here also the spacing between the words, like this. And then just click on the OK. The Rahul text is created over here. And another one command, in that command now this I have created in a straight line. We can also create in the on the curve drawing. Okay, so I will just show you. Just Control Z, all the operations what we have performed. Just select, take the sketch, and for curve shape would like to have we have to draw this any curve. So I will take this 3-point curve, the first point and the second point and this third point. Okay, like this. Okay, this curve I have down here. Again click here, and actually again the second line is started. So just press escape command, double escape. Dimensions are created by system automatically. Then next just click on the sketch and take this sketch command, and again select height, first point, and this is the second point for the text. Move window aside and then just enter the text. I will put again okay, not say, I will put again the Rahul name over here. Here you can see Rahul name is on the window. And then next here just click on this place along the curve. After clicking over here, you have to select this curve, because we have created a place along the curve. So where is the curve? Here, this is the curve. Just click on this, and the text generated is on curve shape generated. Okay, and just click on the OK. Here you can see. Okay, So this is all about how you can use the text command. This the purpose of this text command is only for typing different text, some notes on drawings, or some balloons, some numberings on the drawings. Okay, so then click on the OK. Here you go. Okay, so thank you very much friends for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, so kindly subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. And I also have a video on my YouTube channel I have made, and on the separate command for the single video for separate commands for Creoparametric, AutoCAD and different software. So hope you would also like that. Thank you very much friends.